Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we'll show you how to bring it all together, marinating the mozzarella and serving it with style. Serving suggestions and pairings. Ready to turn your Italian salsa verde marinated mozzarella into a showstopper? Here's how to serve it so every bite shines, whether as a quick appetizer or the star of a full meal. Perfect appetizers. This marinated mozzarella is versatile enough to elevate any starter. Try these simple but impressive ways to serve it. Crostini. Spread toasted baguette slices with a swipe of creamy ricotta or whipped feta, then top with chunks of marinated mozzarella and a drizzle of the leftover salsa verde. Caprese skewers. Thread cherry tomatoes, fresh basil leaves, and marinated mozzarella balls onto small skewers for a bite-sized twist on the classic salad. Charcuterie boards. Add it to an antipasto spread with cured meats, olives, and grilled vegetables. The bright flavors cut through rich meats like prosciutto. Stuffed peppers. Spoon the mozzarella and salsa verde into halved mini sweet peppers for a colorful, crunchy bite. For extra flair, garnish with flaky sea salt or lemon zest right before serving. Main course pairings. This dish isn't just for starters, it can anchor a meal when paired right. Here's what works. Grilled fish. The herbaceous salsa verde complements mild white fish like sea bass or halibut. Place a spoonful over the fish just before serving. Roasted vegetables. Toss the mozzarella with warm roasted zucchini, eggplant, or bell peppers. The heat slightly softens the cheese, making it melt into the veggies. Pasta salads. Fold it into cold pasta with cherry tomatoes, arugula, and a splash of the marinade oil for a no-cook summer dish. Grilled chicken. Top sliced chicken breasts with the mozzarella and let the residual heat gently warm it. For sides, crusty bread is non-negotiable. It soaks up every drop of the flavorful oil. A simple arugula salad with lemon dressing balances the richness. Beverage pairings. The bold, tangy flavors call for drinks that refresh without overpowering. White wine. A crisp Pinot Grigio or Sauvignon Blanc mirrors the salsa verde's acidity. Sparkling water. Add a squeeze of lime for a fizzy palate cleanser between bites. Light beer. A wheat beer or pilsner keeps things breezy, especially for outdoor meals. Tips and variations. Italian salsa verde marinated mozzarella is flexible. You can tweak ingredients and flavors to match your taste or dietary needs. Here's how to make it your own while keeping its vibrant character intact. Ingredient substitutions. Ran out of something? Need a veggie-friendly version? No problem. A few smart swaps keep the dish tasting great. Anchovies, vegetarian alternative. If you're avoiding fish, try nutritional yeast for savory depth or miso paste for umami. For saltiness, add extra capers or a pinch of sea salt. Parsley, different herbs. Not a fan of parsley? Basil or cilantro work beautifully. Basil leans sweeter, while cilantro adds a citrusy kick. Fresh mozzarella, vegan option. Swap in vegan mozzarella. Look for brands with a soft, creamy texture, or marinated tofu cubes for a plant-based take. The salsa verde coats them just as well. Red wine vinegar. No vinegar on hand? Lemon juice brings brightness, or white wine vinegar keeps the tang without overpowering. Pro tip. If using a softer cheese alternative, shorten marinating time to prevent texture breakdown. Flavor enhancements. Want to take the salsa verde in a bold new direction? Small adjustments create big flavor shifts. Freshness boost. Stir in finely chopped mint or dill for a garden fresh lift. Mint pairs especially well with citrus zest. Smoky depth. A pinch of smoked paprika or charred lemon zest adds subtle warmth without heaviness. Spicy kick. Add red pepper flakes or thinly sliced fresh chili for heat. Start with a little. You can always add more. Extra tang. If you love acidity, mix in grated lemon zest or a dash of Dijon mustard for sharpness. Experiment by blending a small batch first. Taste as you go and adjust until it feels right for you. Why you'll love this dish. Italian salsa verde marinated mozzarella is the kind of dish that feels fancy but requires almost no effort. It's creamy, tangy, and packed with fresh herb flavor, a guaranteed crowd pleaser that looks like you spent hours in the kitchen. Effortless elegance. You don't need chef-level skills to pull this off. Just blend a quick salsa verde, toss it with fresh mozzarella, and let the flavors meld. It's perfect for last-minute guests or when you want something special without the stress. The marinade does all the work, transforming simple ingredients into something memorable. Bold, balanced flavors. This dish hits every note. Creamy from the fresh mozzarella. Bright from parsley, capers, and vinegar. Savory with a hint of garlic and optional anchovies. It's rich but never heavy, thanks to the salsa verde's acidity. Every bite keeps you coming back for more. Always impressive. Whether served on a charcuterie board, layered over grilled bread, or tucked into a salad, it adds instant sophistication. People will swear you picked it up from a gourmet deli, until they realize how easy it is to make. Pro tip. Double the salsa verde and use it as a marinade for chicken or a dressing for roasted veggies. Leftovers never go to waste. Italian salsa verde marinated mozzarella is the kind of dish that makes simple ingredients shine. The creamy cheese soaks up the bright, herby sauce, turning every bite into a burst of fresh flavor. It's quick to prepare but feels special enough for any occasion. Try this recipe next time you want something effortless but impressive. Play with the herbs, adjust the tang, or swap in vegan mozzarella, it's flexible. Once you taste it, you'll see why it's a favorite. Share your version in the comments or tag us on social media. We'd love to hear how yours turns out. Happy marinating! Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.